Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the world of AI and machine learning. Point 1. What is AI? AI refers to machines that can think and learn like humans. Point 2. How does AI work? AI solves problems and makes decisions based on data analysis. Point 3. What is machine learning? Machine learning allows machines to learn from data without being programmed. Point 4. How AI and ML work together. AI uses machine learning to recognize patterns and make predictions. Point 5. AI in everyday life. AI is in our daily lives, from voice assistants to recommendations on Netflix. Point 6. ML in healthcare. Machine learning is helping doctors diagnose diseases and personalize treatments. Point 7. AI in business. AI automates tasks, predicts trends, and improves customer experiences. Point 8. The future of AI and ML. AI and machine learning will drive innovations like self-driving cars and advanced robotics. AI and ML are changing how we live and work. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what excites you about AI.